Hello and welcome back to Mining for Cheese, and today we are playing some Teardown. I'm recording this because why not? It's a fun game.
Bro, the entire shore on this side has been blown up and it's now black. How was that killed me?
Just look at this, look at these pipe bombs.
I can't lie, the pipe bombs are like blinking nothing. Like
Oh.
that's a bit bigger than the other ones.
Okay.
Yo, that's crazy, bro.
Let's...
Wait, I want to put vehicle thrusters on these. Right, now we get into the vehicle. Yo. And now we just go straight through the windows. Oh, yeah,
I'm flying!
Yo. Holy fuck, bro, I turned around and I see you flying. This is not playing, bro.
Mate, I'm in the sky!
Yo.
Oh,
I can't even see you, you've gone that high, like, I can't, like...
I can't either, I don't know where I am.
I don't know where you are,
I think I'm falling, I don't know.
Yo.
I can't even tell if I'm... Oh, there we go, I'm falling. The car's still fine.
Bears. Through the blown up entrance. Or through this entrance that I'm making now.
Yes.
You lucky mate my bag. Right. That wasn't an entrance, but it is now. Look at this over here. Just get out of the vehicle, look at this over here. Look at that over there, the entire propane tank.
Oh.
Are you ready?
Let's back up.
Wait, back up and do like sniper. Back up and do sniper. Ready? Yo, that wasn't as good as I thought, but that was actually decent.
Did not see how fast this car just went.
Yo, I did not see at all what just happened, bro.
Oh, wait.
Please don't crash into me, bro.
I don't know where I'm going.
Well, just don't drive into me.
My vehicle died. You ready?
Oh, I don't know, am I? Is it gonna...
Whoa, it tipped over. Oh. It's kind of not an ice cream truck anymore.
Well, don't worry, this building's kind of not gonna be a building, so... Should I just blow it up or should I keep going? Let's keep going. And stepping quite far away from the outside. So we just blow it up instead. It's still going. It is still going, bro. Yo, my FPS, bro. I'm on 6 FPS.
Oh.
Yo, it's still going, bro. Yo.
What is even going on?
Big explosion. Yo, how is it not stopped? I swear down I didn't even place that many.
Oh, like the whole... Oh, I need to run. I can't run. I can't run. Run.
Wait, I think it stopped. I think it stopped. I think our FPS might be back.
Not quite. Oh my god.
It's still fun, but there's no explosions. I'm gonna have to go put them really massive ones there.
Maybe we should check out another map.
Yeah, I agree, Loki. Wait, unless you can get over here, can you get over? These ones.
The buildings are off the map, unfortunately.
Yo, holy lad. Holy fuck, bro. Wait, no, I've got to go. Yo, I just made a long tail of like boosters.
Nice.
No, you actual knob. I hate you so much, bro.
Maybe there was a little explosion. The house is like...
Yeah, maybe.
the house is just non-existent now.
Wait, where was the house? Was it here?
Look, you
Like,
you can see the roof, look.
wait, I thought it was this. Yo, what? Yo, that's crazy work, bro.
Yeah.
Is that my tower, bro? Yo, nah, bro. You can see it like slowly start to like climb up the tower. And when that happens, it's like there's literally nothing you can do. Oh yeah, how are you gonna get across the bridge? I've got a plan for you.
I tried to speed bridge and it failed. It works. Look at this point.
Yo. If I could zoom in, I would... What the fuck am I watching? Yeah, just come around to me. Something really quickly.
The boat has a shitty turning circle, but yeah.
Yo, oh my lord, bro, my game.
Did you see my car?
Yes, it disappeared,
Yeah.
bro. It was like 2 seconds and it just disappeared. You know, I took the worst idea I might have ever seen. Now, there's no possible way you can get over the bridge because the bridge is demolished. Alright, go on then. There's a couple that aren't facing the right way, I can't even see it. I fell off so I couldn't even see it. Yo, I can see it now.
You just like did a somersault into the water. Just attach it to a tree, like why not? Just get rid of the tree. We'll just sail through the debris in our little boat. Oh.
No, that's too close, that's too close.
That was a military truck.
Yes, I saw that.
The tank is just indestructible.
Yeah, well, let's see that, brother.
Okay.
Hell, bro. The air already.
Where's
Did that kill it?
Where's the tank?
Low key. It still turns, but it doesn't drive.
So it still kind of works. Right. I just jumped over that. Right then guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and we'll see you in the next one. Good peace.